Hello, Tom from ReFind here, and today I'm going to be talking about the ReFind Vehicle GPS Tracker. Please note, this is for 2023 models and onwards. For previous models, please refer to the previous tutorial found on our YouTube channel. Firstly, we'll look at the contents inside your package. We have a SIM card provided by giffgaff, which we have found to be the most cost-effective solution. However, the device is not locked, so you are able to use any SIM of your choice. Secondly, we have a quick instruction manual. On the front of the manual, you can see a barcode which will take you to the full instruction page, where we have manuals in multiple languages in the highest of detail. On the back, you can see the quick instruction guide for an easy setup. Next, we have the power cables designed to power the device. Please ensure that these are used to power the device. The micro USB port on the side of the device is for data upload and download only. Lastly, let's look at the tracker itself. On the front you can see our company logo, and on the back you can see the device ID and another barcode that will take you to the full instruction manual. Let's now scan the barcode to take us to the full instruction manual and download links. Take your phone and scan the barcode like so. This will take you to our landing page. All relevant information is stored within this page for your tracker. Now we have the web page open, you'll be able to see the three options to download. Firstly Apple, then Android, and then web browsing, such as Google. I'll be selecting Apple for this iPhone, opening up the app. The app is already downloaded on this device, and I'll be opening it. To log in, you must use your device ID, which is located on the back of the device, and the password, which comes standard set at 123456. This can be reset at any time following the instruction manual. Let's now install the SIM card into the device. If you're using the SIM card provided, please open up the packaging and you'll find the SIM. Please make sure you activate the SIM and credit the SIM using the following barcode or the link provided here. Remove the SIM at full size, as this is the size that the vehicle GPS takes. Detach the front of the vehicle GPS and you will find the SIM card slot. Simply open this slot, insert the SIM and lock into place. Please then reconnect the casing and your vehicle tracker is ready to go. To power the device, we must use the battery cables provided. A reminder, please do not use the micro USB port, as this is for upload and download of data only. At one end, you will find the red and black cables. These need to be attached to the corresponding battery terminals. On the other end, you have the fitting that attaches to the GPS tracker. Click into place like this, and you're ready to power up the device. Let's have another look at the full instruction manual page. We have our quick setup guide and application download links, a reminder of our login details, how to credit and install the SIM card provided, how to install the tracker into your vehicle. At the bottom we can see the full instruction manuals. I'll be selecting the language English. Scrolling down we can see important information about the specifications of the device, further information relating to your device, the LED indicators and what they tell you about your device status, further information about the installation of the SIM card and the installation of the device within your vehicle. There's further information on the platform, app, and also a troubleshooting page if you have any issues during setup. Finally, we have the SMS command prompt page. SMS command prompts can be used to directly communicate with your tracker via SMS. This can be used for location requests, setting changes, and numerous other functions. If you have any questions or queries relating to the device, please get in touch with us. You can email us at info@refindcommerce.com or message us via WhatsApp. We are always happy to help.